This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh, finally. I'm home. Huh? Sammy, where are you?
3 parts of sugar, 2 parts of spice, and don't forget about everything nice! Oh, you're just in time, Susan. Wait a second! What are we screaming about?
You scared me, Sammy. Oh, whatever. What are you doing here?
Oh, this? I'm experimenting for the Tibidaba Slime Scientist Contest. It's a big deal for slimes, you know, but so far, no luck.
What if I will help you? You know, I love science. I even have a couple of experiments I have wanted to try out.
Really? Yay! Well then, let's get started, fellow scientist.
For the first experiment, we need a piece of paper. Now, origami skills, don't let me down.
Sue, we're experimenting, not crafting, remember?
Of course. And that's why we need that cute little hat of yours. We'll use it as a boat. Now, Sammy, pay attention.
Huh? Sue? You didn't tell me you were a sorceress. Can you teach me that magic, please?
There's no magic here, Sammy. It's pure science. When we dip the upside-down glass into the water like this, the air keeps it from filling the space inside it, but it compresses a little so the ship will float inside the glass. But when we tilt the glass, we let the air out. The glass begins to fill with water, and the ship sinks.
There. Now that there's an iceberg, it's more like a shipwreck.
What a creative slime you are! Oh, and this iceberg gave me an idea.
Oh, really? Then it's a really interesting experiment. Let's do it! Here's all you asked for, Sue. Don't forget the tinfoil hat, too! In case other scientists try to read your mind and steal your ideas.
Nobody wants to steal from us, Sammy. So, relax and watch closely.
I wouldn't be so sure. Huh? What's going on? Hey, you! What are you doing here?
I was just passing by.
Yeah, right!
Well, at least he left us some materials for our experiments.
Okay, experiment entry number 100 and... Hey, my science diary!
I'm sorry, Sammy, but we need to sacrifice it for science's sake.
Okay, whatever you say. Whoa! Sue, we've got a runner! You can't escape us, you sly little ice cube!
Nice catch, Sammy!
You betcha!
And here's our control ice cube. Now we wait to see which one melts first. This will be our experiment. But sitting around waiting is so boring.
Then in the meantime, let's do my experiment. Get the paints!
The paints are here. And where is Sam?
I'm here. I dragged this ice all the way from the top of the Tibidaba Mount. Oh no, it melted!
Why didn't you just get ice from the freezer?
So we had ice in the freezer this whole time? Ugh.
Oh, Sammy, next time just ask. Here comes the salt. By the way, why do we need paint?
Come on, Sue, it's so easy. You dip your paintbrush in paint and color the ice, like that. It's so much fun.
Let me try it too. This is truly mesmerizing, guys. Like, if you agree. Oh, I almost forgot. It's time to check out our ice cubes. I thought the ice cube in the sock would melt the fastest.
Cool.
Don't jump to conclusions, my dear fellow scientist. We need to measure everything, Whoa! What was that? Is someone trying to steal our experiments again?
No, I think you're just hungry. I've got some treats. Follow me.
Yay! Treats! Yummy! Come on, Sue, what do you have in store for me? Gummy bears? Or maybe lollipops?
Here, yummy and nutritious egg.
Ew! I'm not eating that! Where's my candy stash?
Well, I'm more than happy to eat it. But first, let's do one more experiment. Eggs are strong enough to handle the weight of a bird sitting on them. Their shape helps them take on a lot of pressure. But the shell can break easily if you hit it.
Hail Tibidaba! There are no eggs in the lollipop recipe!
Can I borrow this book for a sec?
No! Hey!
Ugh, fine. What do you say to that?
Oh! Candy! Now that's more like it!
It's harder to crush an egg when it's standing up. See how much weight our egg can hold?
Oh, so that's why they're stored that way!
That's right, Sammy. Look, it's safe and sound.
I'll take these for my next experiment, if you don't mind. Here we go! Sue, get the flashlight!
I'm one step ahead of you.
Now take it!
And why do we need them?
For a colored light experiment, of course.
Oh, that's a great idea. I love mixing colors. When we mix red and green lights, we get yellow. Mixing red and blue makes purple. And blue mixed with green makes the turquoise light. So pretty. If we put all three lights together, we see white.
Sue, it's just our guest dinosaur. He's gonna help us with our next experiment.
Hi there. You scared me. Look, if we shine a red flashlight, it makes blue shadow. The green flashlight also makes blue shadow. Green and red flashlights together make green shadow. And if we add the blue light, we will have multiple shadows, like this.
Also, we can use our flashlights for a little dance party. The only thing that could be more fun than this is building a snowman.
Wait a second.
What?
This gave me an idea. Let's make a scientific snowman.
Cool.
First, we need to make some scientific snow.
Huh? Seriously? So far it looks more like pastry dough.
Really? And what do you say if I add soap? How much soap pastry have you had in your life?
Oh, that even sounds gross. Still, it doesn't look like snow.
Just be patient. Here we go. Our snow is ready. Now we can build a snowman. It's gonna be so much fun.
Whoa! Make way for a scientific snowman.
All done. And now it's time for one more experiment. This is water with citric acid, and our scientific snow contains baking soda. So if we do this, a chemical reaction occurs. Scientifically speaking, here we have a new salt called sodium citrate, carbon dioxide, and water.
Whoa, that sounds too smart. Sue, I'm getting dizzy from all the scientific lingo.
Here's a recipe for you then.
Nice. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff to buy.
Hold on a sec. We've got plenty of those ingredients in the kitchen.
Then let's move on to the next experiment. All right, fellow scientists, a Attention, please! Sue, put a card on the edge of the glass.
What a strange experiment. Okay. Ugh, come on. It's not working.
Oh, I almost forgot. Try to do that now.
Okay, here we go. Wow! Sammy, they are sticking!
When we place a card on the water sticks to the card. That's because the water molecules stick together too.
Oh, so this is what keeps the cards balanced on the edges of the cups. That is so cool!
Being a scientist is so stressful. I hope the candle will relax me.
No, we've got stuff to do.
Keep up with the experiments and I'll go take a nap. Hey, my blankie!
Don't be lazy, Sammy. I'm sure you will really enjoy this experiment.
Oh, my blanket's all wet now.
That's the way it's supposed to be. For this experiment, you will need an adult, guys. Now, check this out. When we heat the air, it expands. And when it cools down, it shrinks. So, it kind of tries to pull the water from the napkin up into the glass. And this happens. Cool, right? Some will say it's magic, and I'll say it's physics.
Wow, guys, the glass is really just holding all this. Can it hold a little more weight?
Let's give it a try.
Awesome! Pick it up now, Sue.
Yay! It works. The main thing here is to make sure there are no gaps between the glass and the napkin.
Can it lift me up?
I think it can.
Whee! Whoa! Whee! This is even more fun than a roller coaster!
Phew. I'm thirsty after all that exercise. Blah, why is the water salty?
Now it's time for some slime science. Here we have water and ice. We need it to melt. Look, the ice is gone, but the water level stays the same. Now, Sue, give me your glass.
This water is salty.
Right. So this time when the ice melts, the water level will rise. That's because salty water and melting ice from fresh water don't mix together.
Whoa, Sammy, I had no idea. You're so smart.
You bet. Okay, Sue, I think we're done. I've made notes about all the experiments. It's time. Go to the contest.
Don't worry, Sammy. I'm sure you will win.
I can't calm down. I have to know the results. Hey, isn't it that the guy from earlier?
10 points out of 10.
Congratulations, Sammy. You did a great job.
But I thought you wanted to steal our ideas.
I was just passing by.
I'd better be less suspicious, really. Yay! Sue, I won! I'm the best! Thanks for the help!
Hello, Mr. Maker here, at home. I've been spending a lot more time at home recently, but when I can, I love getting outside to get some fresh air, to have some fun, and maybe to see my friends. Now, last year, I had a great day out at the seaside with my friend Chris. It's been quite a long time since I've seen him, so I'm going to give him a call.
Hello, Mr. Maker.
Hi, Chris. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. How's the family?
Well, I'll ask them. Shades! It's Chris on the phone. He wants to know how you all are.
I am a circle.
I am a triangle. I am a square.
They're all great, thank you.
Hold on. What about rectangle?
Oh, yes, good point. Hang on. Rectangle, are you all right up there?
I am a rectangle.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know. Sorry, Chris, he's in the bath.
Well, that must be a huge bath.
Now, Chris, I was just thinking about our brilliant day out last year.
Oh, yes, thank you for that. I do like to be beside the seaside.
Beside the seaside?
Beside the sea.
It was such a lovely day.
Well, apart from the time when a seagull swooped down and pinched one of your chips, Mr. Maker. Do you remember that?
Of course I remember. I never forget losing a chip.
What do you call a man with a seagull on his head?
I don't know. What do you call a man with a seagull on his head?
Cliff!
Cliff. That's a good one, Chris. Very funny. And it's just given me a great idea. I'm going to make something.
Oh, brilliant! Make it, Mr. Maker!
Make it, Mr. Maker. Let's make a super seagull hat.
Make it, Mr. Maker.
Okay, let's turn this old hat into something really special. A seagull. It looks like you're ready. I'm ready. Chris, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Great! Let's make it! We need to turn this cap's peak into a seagull's beak. And we're going to do that by covering it with fun foam. I've got a nice sheet of yellow fun foam here, but of course you can use any colour you like. I'm now going to cut out a pointy shape, but I'm going to be careful because...
Scissors are sharp.
Now we need to glue our beak onto our peak, and we do that using lots of glue.
Will any old hat do?
That is a very good question, Chris. This idea will work with any hat that has a peak like this cap. But Mini Makers, this is really important. Before you try this with one of your hats, make sure you ask a grown-up first. The glue's dry, so now I can add some extra detail.
Oh, I really like this idea, and I suppose you don't have to make a seagull hat, do you? It could be another bird.
That's right, Chris. You can turn your hat into any creature you like. But right now, I'm going to stick with our seagull and add some googly eyes. Our googly eyes are on, and I've added a small piece of orange card to the beak too. Our super seagull hat is ready to wear. We made it, Chris.
Oh, that's great.
What do you think, Chris? A super seagull hat.
Oh, look, I love it. You've got a seagull on your head again.
I know. I better look after my chips. Alright, keep off.
Oh, it's been so good chatting with you, Mr. Maker. And let's not leave it too long before we go beside the seaside.
Beside the seaside?
Beside the sea. See you soon. Bye.
Bye, Chris. Oh, it was great to see Chris again. And I really had lots of fun making this hat and remembering that happy day at the seaside. What's that noise? It sounds like snoring. Who would be snoring at a time like this? I know who it is. It's the shapes. Yes, look, it's the shapes. Circle, triangle, square and rectangle, all snoring away. With the shapes asleep, it means no shape dance today and no singing to I Am a Shape. It's a real shame, but I suppose the only way we could do those things is if I put on shape costumes and I do the dance myself. But we can't do that. Can we? Come on, Mini Makers, let's dance with the shapes. I am a circle. Spin around in a circle on the ground.
I am a triangle.
Clap your hands in the air. Triangles everywhere.
I am a square.
Everybody draw a square. Draw it here, draw it there.
I am a rectangle.
Bounce, everybody. Bounce like you just don't care. What's it going to be? Wait and we will see. A shape for you and me. I am a rectangle. Now let's make something to celebrate our friend Rectangle. First, ask a grown-up to help you carefully cut out a rectangle-shaped piece of felt. This soft felt is rectangle red. Now we need to make it stronger by gluing it to a piece of card that's the same size and shape. When that's dry, turn your rectangle over to the card side and glue on a clean, dry lolly stick, or perhaps a pencil. Again, ask a grown-up to help you with this. This is going to be a rectangle puppet. Now it needs some extra detail, some googly eyes, and a mouth drawn on with a pen. Your puppet is ready to play with.
I am a rectangle.
Thank you for coming to visit me at home today. We've had a great time. We caught up with Chris. We made a seagull hat, a rectangle puppet, and some shape dance moves. Keep making things and have lots of fun. And remember, your home is where the art is. I'll see you soon.
Make way! Don't worry, fellow slime. I got your back. Oh, poor thing.
Finally, the doctor's here.
Uh-oh. Assistant, we need a gurney. It's here. I'm coming. So, Dr. Sam, what are we going to do next? Let's try indirect slime massage. Got you, Doc. 1, 2, 3. I think I feel something. Move away. Let me check. Here it goes. What an unusual case. I need to consult a colleague. Oh, what if he won't make it?
What are we all so worried about? It's just slime.
How could you be so soulless, Ken? Hey, you! Enough with the chit-chat there. Discharge! One more time. Up. Nothing helps. Someone call Dr. Sue. Ah!
I'm already here. Sorry, traffic jams. I'm picking up this patient.
Now we will save him.
Okay, let's see what we are dealing with. That's better. Oh, poor blue slime. You're a complete mess. Just look at this. But don't worry, we'll fix you. For starters, here's your hospital room. I'll take this out.
So, the patient is not hopeless, Doctor. Oh, I cannot watch it.
He's gonna be all right.
Phew!
It is quite possible that we can save this slime simply by mixing it well. Check this out. The patient already feels much better.
Aw, so that's all you needed, little slime? Just someone to play with you more, huh? So slick!
I think we can not only save it, but also improve it by making it bigger. For this, we need glue.
Yeah! The bigger the better. You heard it, buddy. You will be huge!
Oof, it goes kind of hard.
Let me try. I'm a master at this.
Sure.
Well, let me just do this. And some more. See? That's easy. And I'm not even out of breath. Okay, keep going. I'll be right back.
Not out of breath. Also, you haven't finished here. Now he can't hear me.
I brought you this secret ingredient. It is called an activator.
Right about time. We can't do with just glue here.
And there's another thing. For you, some artificial snow.
Oh, that's a great idea, Sammy. Friends, just wait till you see what will happen. Now I'm going to add some water. And check this out. The reaction is already happening. We need to mix this really well. I will be doing it like this, with my hands. Its texture is so soft now. It's like I'm squeezing a cloud.
Wow! It really doesn't look like slime, but like some kind of snow hill. Elsa would have loved this.
You don't say.
A scoop of ice cream like this would definitely complement our winter slime.
You are right, Sammy. Up. And this little penguin will perfectly fit our snow theme, too.
The finishing touches. Look what beautiful sprinkles I found. And that's enough.
Here's the final touch from me. And that's what we got. So pretty.
doctor here? There's been an accident on the road. Help!
Oh no! Sue, grab the first aid kit and I'll take the gurney. Hurry!
Look, Doctor, this slime went completely rancid from waiting in traffic. The smell is impossible.
Don't worry, we will handle this. Holy cannoli, what a stink!
And you call yourself a doctor? Oh, I wish I were at the beach now.
Sammy?
Where's the patient? I need to cure him. I will cure everyone. Let me go, Sue. Let me go.
Do you want to faint again? Here's the mask. Put it on first.
Ooh, that smell is impossible. I can feel it even through the mask. Maybe this curtain will help.
Well, I have a couple of ideas on how to get rid of this smell. I hope they work. First, let's try adding flavored oil to it. I will pour a lot, just to be sure. Strange, the smell hasn't gone away. Oh, ew! How can that be?
Yeah, nothing can stop that stink. Although, wait a minute. We can try something.
Now everything will sparkle clean. This dish soap is so good.
Excuse me, but we need it more than you.
But I haven't finished yet.
Let's try this now, Susie. Aha!
Gotcha!
Wow, where did you get these skills, Doc?
I play basketball on Saturdays with Roger.
Nice!
And I really like your dish soap idea, Sam.
Ugh, but it didn't work. Listen, don't you think those green things are the ones that stink?
You think? Let's see. Oh, yes.
Down with all the greenery, Sue. Make it purple.
Well, if you insist. Purple, don't let me down. Now let's mix up the whole thing really well.
Wow, what a cool shade! I love purple, especially when it is a purple slime.
Come on.
What are you doing? Oh no, Sue, put it back like it was. Are you out of your mind?
Calm down, Sammy. Just trust the process. Here goes just the same amount of white air plasticine.
And I already thought that we would have to save the slime from our salvation.
You're such a jokester. Well, in the meantime, I have the most difficult task to give it all a uniform consistency.
Wow! Now that slime looks like a whole galaxy with all sorts of stars and planets.
Ah, you're thinking in the right direction. Let's add stars to our slime galaxy.
Here, I found this guy. He says he wants to know everything about space.
Really? Well, let him study our cosmic creation first. And there is no galaxy without sparkles, right? Like this.
Hello, this is Dr. Sam. I'm on the spot, but I don't see anyone. Who needed my help? Oh, what is this? Is this what I'm thinking? Holy cannoli! You're all dried up like sand in the desert. I'll carry you to the... You're hot, hot, hot!
I thought you were a slime specialist. Haven't you heard about grease a lot?
This is a difficult case. I'd even say it's a tough one.
But the slime will be fine, won't he, Susie? We can save it, right?
Don't worry, everything will be fine. But I'm gonna have to use all my knowledge. The first step will require a little bit of physical strength. This slime has really dried out.
Oh no! I can't look at this! This is horrible! This is terrible! Oh, who am I kidding? It is terribly interesting what will happen in the end.
Now I'll add some water and let it all sit for a while.
Hooray! It is lunchtime! Today's pizza day in the cafe downstairs!
What? Aren't you full with this already?
There is always some room for pizza! There is nothing better than a pepperoni!
Okay, that's it. I can't take it any longer. You're not a slime doctor. I quit. Here's my notice. So long.
But why?
Slimes drive me crazy! What? But didn't you want to rescue them?
Wait, don't leave. We can promote you to assistant doctor.
Not interested. I've made my decision. Bye!
Oh, Mafetta, she's at the airport already.
I'm going to Hawaii to become the world's most famous surfer. Follow my Insta. Gotta go!
Oh well, not everyone is cut out to save slimes. How is that dry one doing, by the way?
Well, it doesn't look so bad anymore. I will add some activator, since the pieces are still not soft enough. Now, let's stir it a little bit and leave it for a while so that all the ingredients mix well with each other.
And this This means only one thing. Cafe downstairs, round 2. Pizza, I'm coming to you.
So, we let our slime brew. Look how different it already looks. We managed to completely restore its texture. Just look how great it stretches now.
And I already have a great idea about decorating it.
I think I know what you're getting at, Sammy. Pink cocktail just like the one from the cafe downstairs, right? Well, that sounds great. After all, this white slime looks exactly like milk foam.
Yeah, I even found these ice cubes to make it look just like the real thing. And... oopsie.
Awesome! These look very refreshing.
Here are some strawberry pieces, freshly picked straight from the garden.
And I found these tiny strawberries. So cute.
Doctors, please help! I brought you another patient. Save him! I'm begging you. But I should warn you, it looks bad.
After so many years of medical practice, there is nothing that could scare me.
It's your call.
Well, how are you doing, buddy? What happened there?
The accident on the playground. Help! Away!
Let's not panic. Dr. C will help that slime. And I guess now I need help too.
Come here, buddy. Let's see what has gotten into you. Ugh, don't worry, it won't hurt. First, I need to get out all these little thingies stuck in you. Poor thing. I wonder, where did you find this? What? A unicorn? Oh my!
Yuck! I'm not gonna watch this.
Come on, I'm helping this slime, Sammy. Oh, it's not stretchy at all now. Just look how easily I can tear it apart. And it's not so good to the touch.
It's not its fault. Playground is a dangerous place for slimes.
Don't worry, I know how to help here, alright? Now, watch me closely, friends. I know 3 ways to make a slime look pretty again. To make the slime more elastic, we need a deactivator, so to say. In this case, it's going to be... ta-da! A hair gel. Just a regular one.
Oh, yeah! This gel is lit. Check out my hair. It's fluffy and shiny.
Let's add some of this to our slime. And now we're going to mix it up really good. Like this and like that. Oh, so squishy! It's getting softer and feels more elastic. Cool!
Come on, buddy. You can do it. You can get your sliminess back.
Sliminess, you say? Nice support. Okay, I think this level of sliminess is just about right. Now let's add some glue. It's the main ingredient in slimes, right? A bit more, and that should be enough. Now it's time to get your hands really dirty. It feels kind of weird right now. To make our slime less sticky, we'll add some lotion and some baby oil. Okay, here it goes. I suggest a 50-50 ratio. This will surely make our slime more elastic. Now, all that we've left to do is mix it all up. This actually feels nice. Now we're talking. Okay, we can make our slime pretty now.
How about a stylish hairdo?
It has no hair.
Then let's tie a ribbon.
How about changing its color?
Oh, wow! It'll be a total makeover.
First, we'll add some white coloring. This way, it will be easy to give our slime any new color we want. Like this. Yeah, I know that I'm needing slimes a lot today. Whee! This is so much fun! And this is what you should get in the end. This looks super awesome, isn't it? Okay. Now we can just take a piece of this giant slime and decorate it however we want.
And this is it for today. We rescued a lot of slimes.
Yeah, your shift is over, dog.
Finally! I wish Barbie had stayed till the end. Oh, my feta! I wish I hadn't left the slime clinic.
Thank you for being with us today, friend. Bye-bye, and don't forget to give us a like.
Hello, everyone! Are you ready for an arty party? We're in the party pad! It's the perfect place for a party. So, let's get arty! It's the Mini Makers! Okay then, Mini Makers, now, are you feeling arty? Yeah! I said, are you feeling arty? Yeah! Then let's party!
We're going to have a party, and look who I've invited, the Shakes and Scraps. He's so excited, all the Mini Makers are partying too. But most importantly, we invite you! Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Let's get arty, everybody party. Party, Mr. Maker, Mr. Maker's arty party. Let's get arty, everybody party. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh, hello, Scraps, my friend. It's great to see you. Now, what do you think we should make our party about today? Oh, well, don't worry, Scraps. You have a think about it. I wonder if you've got any ideas. Come on, Mini Makers, over you come. Have a look at the screen. We're going to show you some clues. See if you can guess what our party is going to be about today.
Window!
Very good. It's a window. Oh, what shape is it? A square window, a square claw. It's a biscuit, isn't it? In a frame. And what sort of frame is it? That's right, Mini Makers. And I'll give you one last clue. Look, it's Granny Maker's snuggly rug with lots of fluffy squares on it. So, Mini Makers, what's our party going to be about today?
Squares!
That's right. We're going to have a square party today.
Yay!
Oh, Scraps, did you fall over in the doodle tube again? Oh, you're covered in sticky squares, look! Well, I don't know whether you meant it or not, but you look great for our square party! So, everyone, let's think nice, square thoughts and make an arty party picture. Mini Makers, what shall we use today?
Sponges and paint and dab it and put it on paper.
That's a really good idea. Now, we're going to use some paint, but what colours should we use?
Blue, pink, brown, blue, bright colours.
Well done, Mini Makers, some lovely ideas there. And in fact, you've just given me an amazing idea. Let's get arty at our party and try a really great effect by using sponge squares to print brightly coloured square people and even a square dog. But first, we'll need some things from... That's right! We'll need some small pieces of kitchen sponge and some card. Some paint. A rectangle. Doodle tube. We don't need rectangles, just squares for now. And we'll need a glue stick and a pen. All right then, Mini Makers, let's get started. Now, the first thing we're going to do is bring in some light blue paper or card. This is going to be the sky, and we also need some green paper or card, and we're going to tear it in half very carefully, like this. Now, what do you think this is going to be, Mini Makers?
Grass!
That's right, it's going to be the grass. Kieran, do you want to put some glue on for me? Very neat. We can now stick this on. There we go. And now we need to print on some square people. So let's use these square sponge shapes cut into different sizes. Now we're going to start over here. Some nice bright pink paint. And I'm going to print a square body. Like that. And when you take it off, you got a square. Then print more squares in different colours, but this can get a little bit messy, so make sure you put down some old paper first.
Now we need to use smaller squares to print the heads.
And it looks really good if you print your faces with the square on the side, like this. So we finished all our heads and bodies. We just need to leave it to dry.
And now we can add some extra detail with a pen.
How about some little strands of hair and some eyes?
What else should I draw, do you think?
A nose and a mouth.
A nose, all right, Kira. Great. So you can add lots of different details, arms, legs, eyes, hair, anything you want, really. There we are, Mini Makers. What do you think of that picture? Do you like it?
Yeah!
Well, I'm glad you like it because now you're going to make your own arty party pictures. But first, you need to put on your arty apron! It's time to start the art! Well done. Now, Stephanie, let's have a look at your picture. You're using squares to make what over here?
A robot.
A robot. I love it. And where is your robot?
At the sea.
Oh, it's at the seaside. You've torn a blue piece of paper in half to put your robot in the sea. I really like that, Stephanie. Keep going. And I wonder, has anyone else ever had any arty ideas to do with squares? Let's find out.
Ancient Roman people lived thousands of years ago.
Come on, Caesar, good dog. We're supposed to be Roman, so let's get Roman. Ow!
Wealthy Romans liked to decorate the inside and outside of their homes with brightly coloured mosaics. These mosaics were often made of thousands of small, brightly coloured square stones that were stuck together to make an arty picture. And because signs hadn't been invented back then, mosaics were sometimes made as colourful signs and symbols.
There's a good dog, Caesar. All right, I'll get your din-dins when I'm finished.
Some Romans even created mosaics as a sign there was a dog inside guarding their house. This was just like the "Beware of the dog" signs that we have now, thousands of years later.
Heel, Caesar. Time for din-dins. It's a new flavour tonight. Lark's tongues and dormouse. Yummy.
Wow, maybe I should make a Beware of the Scraps mosaic. I'm only kidding, Scraps. Nothing to be scared of here. And now, let's see how our mini makers are getting on. Very nice, Ada. I love this picture. But can you tell me, how did you make your tree?
Green paint, and then I dabbed it all around like that.
A very nice tree made with squares. What's in your picture, Luca?
Aliens.
Aliens. And what's this in the middle?
It's an alien dog.
An alien dog? What have you got in your picture, Manor?
Some pig.
Oh, very nice. And what's here in the field?
Some nice pretty flowers.
Some very colourful flowers. Well done, Manor. And well done, Mini Makers. I think that... Wait a minute. What's that noise? It sounds like someone's asleep at our party. Who is it, everyone? That's right. It's the Shakes. And I think we should wake them up. So after 3, let's shout, wake up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up! Dance!
I am a shape. I am a shape.
Here we go!
I am a shape.
am a circle.
Spin around in a circle on the ground.
I am a triangle.
Clap your hands in the air, triangles everywhere.
I am a square.
Everybody draw a square, draw it here, draw it there.
Everybody draw a square. I am a rectangle.
Bounce everybody, bounce like you just don't care. What's it going to be? Wait and we will see a shape for you and me.
I am a square.
What's hiding behind the squares? Can you guess? That's right! It's a Jack-in-the-Box! Well done, Square! It's time to get back on the shelf!